it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So we are still continuing our air fryer February 2022, and today I have a very simple, easy air fryer recipe for you. Friends, I promise, you know, from start to finish, this literally, including cooking time, is probably about 13-14 minutes, no joke. If you like salmon, this recipe is for you. So obviously you need your air fryer. I have here two salmon fillets. They are about 7 ounces a piece. And I have some Old Bay seasoning. You all know I love my Old Bay. If you cannot find this in your area, I believe Amazon sells it, and I'll put a link to this in the description box below. And also, if you're don't want to try the Old Bay, Creole seasoning is another great one you can use instead of the Old Bay, so keep that in mind. You can use Creole seasoning and that would work really well. And the other last item is some avocado oil, or you can use regular olive oil. I like to use the avocado oil. And I'll probably just serve it with a wedge of a lemon, and I'm going to make some spinach as a side. This is going to be my lunch for today. So friends, that's it. That's all the ingredients. Let's turn the camera down and get my lunch made. All right, before I get started, I'm going to spray my pan with a little bit of cooking spray just to help prevent sticking. Even though this has some oil on it, I'm just doing a extra bit. I've mentioned this in many videos. If you have the non-stick air fryer pan, do not use the aerosol can because I've heard that it can damage it. Get yourself an olive oil spritzer and use that instead. My pan is not the non-stick. Okay, so we have that done. Now I'm going to go ahead, just open up my salmon fillets. I purchased these at Costco in a bag. I have a bag of them. Okay, so they are on the tray here, plate. Let me go ahead and put this off to the side and we'll get our ingredients mixed up real quick. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and take my avocado oil and olive oil. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I'm going to take my Old Bay and I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of Old Bay. Just going to give that a nice little mix. Get it mixed really, really well. I love Old Bay. Oh. And like I said, if you don't like Old Bay or if you can't find it, Creole seasoning would work really well. And now I'm going to head and take my little handy dandy brush, and I am just going to brush this right on my salmon. Get the sides as well. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and flip that over. Get the back side. I am getting the sides and top and bottom as well. Get every last drop out of there. Alright, and now I'm just going to bring my tray over. Go ahead and put my salmon on my tray. And we're going to take it to our air fryer and get this cooking. Before I get started, I am going to preheat my air fryer, putting it on 400 for 3 minutes. And then when it's ready, we're gonna go ahead and throw our salmon in. So let's go ahead and get that preheated real quick. Okay, my air fryer is now preheated. I need to be very careful. I'm gonna put my salmon in. We're going to put it on 400 for 10 minutes. You want to check it at 10 minutes. It could go for maybe 12. Air fryers differ, so you definitely want to keep an eye on it, but I'm going starting with 10 minutes and we'll come back and check it at that point. All right, let's check it out. Oh my, that looks delicious. Look, friends. Let's just take the fork real quick. Yeah, I think we are done, friends. It looks great. All right, let me get this plated up and do a taste test. So here is my lunch. Just have some spinach with a little bit of sea salt and pepper on it, and then I just have some salmon. Just have a little bit of lemon wedge, drip a little bit of lemon over top, and let's give this a taste. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. Love, love, love it. So friends, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you end up making this recipe, please comment below and let me know what you think of it. So thanks so much, friends. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, as it does greatly help me out. Don't forget to hit that little bell because it will notify you every time there's a new video out. And give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Again, that really helps me out. And please follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I post every day on Facebook and most every day on Instagram as well. As you all know, this is a whole month full of fun recipes for our air fryer. On days that I don't post a video, check out my Facebook page because I will post a link to a delicious air fryer recipe. So friends, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye!